All right, so these are going to go over the veins of the heart. So this right here is going to be the cranial vena cava, the caudal vena cava, and the first branch, if we turn this over here, is going to be the azygos. And the azygos is going to curve off the cranial vena cava and run all the way down, which also you can still see this if we if we shove everything over to the right-hand side. This is still azygos right there, coming off the cranial vena cava following the sympathetic trunk.
Yep.
All right. One of the only nerves we need to know is this right here. It goes from the diaphragm all the way up, and that's going to be the phrenic nerve. So the phrenic nerve is going to go all the way up, opposed to the vagus nerve, which is going to stop, and you can see that it's going to wrap around the heart. So vagus nerve, phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve is usually more lateral. All right. So back to the vessels. We have the cranial vena cava, and unlike the arteries on the vena cava, we have a right and left brachiocephalic. So these two segments right here are right brachiocephalic, left brachiocephalic. Right brachiocephalic is going to bifurcate again into this small portion, which is less than a centimeter long. That's going to be right subclavian. So just this centimeter is going to be right subclavian. Right subclavian turns into axillary, and then axillary is going to turn into brachial vein right there. All right. So going back up, so just to orient, we have cranial vena cava, we have right brachiocephalic, and then we have right subclavian. But if we go this way, we're going to have the bijugular trunk. So this short segment right here before the bifurcation is going to be the bijugular trunk, and that's going to give off two different portions. We have an internal jugular, and then we have an external jugular that would attach right there. So we have right brachiocephalic to the bijugular trunk, to the right internal jugular, and the right external jugular.
Yep.
The right external jugular, we may not need to know it, is going to be cephalic, which runs off right there. That's it.